to use your Pluxee card for petrol or fuel payments. 1. Visit a fuel station that accepts Pluxee, formerly Sodexo, as a payment method. Look for the Pluxee, Visa, MasterCard, or Rupee logo on the card machine. 2. Tell the cashier or attendant that you want to pay using your Pluxee card. 3. After refueling, they'll enter the amount on the POS terminal. 4. Insert, swipe, or tap your Pluxee card on the machine. 5. Enter your 4-digit PIN if prompted to complete the payment. 6. Wait for the transaction approved message and collect your receipt. 7. The amount will be deducted from your Pluxee balance instantly. 8. If you have a virtual Pluxee card, you can add it to Google Pay, Samsung Pay, or Apple Pay and tap your phone on the POS machine to pay. 9. To confirm, open your Pluxee app and check the transaction history to see the payment details.